Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can install and set up Claude Code in Windsurf. So first of all, you need to open Windsurf, and after opening the Windsurf, on the left side you will see this extensions icon. So you need to click on extensions, and here you can see a search option. So in the search option we are going to search for Claude Code, and here you can see Claude Code for VS Code. So we need to click here Claude Code for VS Code, and here you can see we have the install button. So we need to click on install and also click here trust publisher and install. So it will start installing Claude Code, and it will take a few seconds to install, and there you can see installation is complete. So when the installation is complete, you just need to close this, and I'm going to click here on this file icon, and let me just open a simple folder, empty folder. So I'm just going to click on file, then click here open folder. So first of all we need to create a folder. So I'll just right click on new, click on folder. Let's say the folder name will be Wind Cloud. You can name the folder anything you want. Just select this folder, then click here select folder. So it will open the folder inside Windsurf. Here you can see. So when you open the folder, on the left side you will also see the Claude Code icon here. So here you need to click on this icon, and it will open the Claude Code chat option over here. And normally I like the chat option to be on the right side instead of to be on the left side. So I'm just going to right click here, and I'm going to click here move to secondary sidebar. So it will move the chat option on the right side, and on the left side you'll be able to see your folder. So here we are going to click on this new session button. So once you click on new session, it will open the Claude Code chat option here. Here you can see. So here we can give any kind of prompt, and Claude Code will generate the code for us. So here you can see a plus icon. So by clicking on the plus icon, you can upload a file from your system, and by clicking on this slash icon, you will see a lot of command for Claude Code. Okay. So here you can see switch account. So if you want to log in to the Claude Code, then you need to click here switch account, and you need to click here Claude AI subscription, and then click on open. So it will open in the browser, and since I am already logged in, so that's why it didn't show us any login with Google option. It directly shows this page. So I'm just going to click here authorize, and then you can see build something great. So let's go back to the Claude Code, and here you can see ask before edit. So we're going to give Claude Code the full permission. So we're going to choose this option edit automatically. There you can see. So right now we're going to let's say build a simple game. So we are going to say here build me a simple ant versus snake game where the snake is a villain and ant is our hero, and needs to defeat snake using different attack and defensive skill. Make me the game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So we are just going to build a simple game. So I'm just going to click here. So right now Claude Code will read our prompt, then make a plan, and then start writing code for us. So this is going to take some time, and since I already give edit automatically permission, so it will not ask us any question. So I'll just fast forward the video until the project creation is complete. So here you can see our project creation is complete. So right now here it also created the snake versus ant versus snake.html. So we just need to open this file. So for it, let me just go to my folder, and I'll click here new volume E, and then open this folder, and we just need to double click on this file, and there you can see it created a game for us. And right now we have the snake over here and our ant is over here. So let me just click here the bite skill, then there is armor skill. It actually did a quite awesome job, and we can also see all the attack and their damage, and I think the ant lost. So let me just try to make the ant win. Let's just try one more time, and this time we won. So yeah, this is how you can build a project using Claude Code inside Windsurf. So right now you know how to set up Claude Code inside Windsurf. I hope this was useful. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.